Hi, my name is Ricardo. I'm the technical manager of AutoVision, and I'm here at VenueTech showroom in Dubai to present you the new product from AutoVision, the Orbit series. Orbit is an interactive LED display with touch capabilities, with speakers, with operating system, and of course, our award-winning LED display Comet C as a base of the display. It comes with a flip chip COB technology, low power consumption, high contrast, high refresh rate, cold LED. And also the operating system is coming with Android 15 with a Google certification. This means that you have all the Google features, such as email, applications, and Play Store, where you can download directly the applications to the system. It comes also with the optional OPS with the Windows 11, and it comes also with an optional 4K camera for meetings and other applications that require a camera connected to the screen. The screen comes with a 10-point touch, so you can use it, for example, for education when you need to have several people touching the screen. It can be used only for meeting rooms, for doing presentations and auditoriums, and it comes available in 3 options: 108-inch, 136-inch, and 163-inch. All of them with a Full HD resolution. 136 and 163 comes with the option of 4K resolution also. The screen also has an optional mobile stand in case if you need mobility on the screen. So if you want to know more about the product and you want to experience and you are in Dubai, please contact VenueTech and book one session in Dubai showroom to see and touch our product. You can come and you have a team from VenueTech that will help you to explain and of course you can touch the system yourself. If you are in Saudi, in Riyadh, you can contact Deltawaves. They also have one version of the Orbit in their showroom, and you can book with them, and they have team there to help you and experience and by yourself the system. Thank you all.